ago, it was announced that BYD was going to be opening up another plant in North America to make buses. And it turns out that they've picked Newmarket, Ontario, which is just north of the city of Toronto. Ooh. And they have secured a 45,000 square foot facility that they are beginning to set up shop in now. And what's great about this is the second BYD plant in North America. The first was in Lancaster, California. And what was nice there is that they grew from just 100 employees to start in Lancaster. Now they're at like 750 employees. Wow. And they're pumping out buses. And of course, Southern California is a great place to be located. Many different municipalities and cities are after these type of vehicles. And they've decided to bring this work to Canada as well. They already have a number of different secure contracts for the city of Toronto being one. They want 10 buses immediately. And that's the first order of business for this new facility. So great to see that these public transit buses are going to start to roll out as electric buses. And as we talked about a number of weeks ago with the electric school buses that are starting here in Ontario as well, we've got this mix of public transportation buses as well. So great to see that this is now happening, and the plan is real and starting to gear up to produce some BYD buses.
Cool.
Electric
that probably has something to do too with a lot of these. When these agencies bid out contracts, they have to be domestically manufactured to compete. So
yeah, that probably helps. Certainly BYD setting up in these other communities would help certainly with that. Hiring local employees and putting the local population to work to build the buses is probably a big victory for anyone bidding on a project.
Those buses to get to their job.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. You know, with that kind of employment rate going from 100 to 750, they could have approached the city of Buffalo, New York, and seen if they could have gotten some.
Got a few million incentives.
Right. And you said they're shipping product, which is, you know, I'm sure Buffalo would love that too.
I'm not going to say the word.
No comment, Tony. No comment at all.
Say that word during the show.
I was trying to get you drunk.
It is not time to drink, folks.
Is that part of the drinking game in the chat room?
I have no idea, actually.
I couldn't figure out the rules.
Yeah, the truth is, I don't know the rules either. I wish, hey, if somebody in the chat room would be kind enough to send me the rules for the drinking game, I guess maybe just that, then I could like kind of tweak it. And, yeah.